Hi, this is Kelly from Crafty Kellys at www.craftykelly.co.uk. Today I am showing you this card that I have made, and it is the third one in my series of these cards, which are very beautiful. This was the first session we did, and this was the second, so this is our third one. I might do some more of this, but these are the three at the moment that I'm doing. So what I've used, I have used the Birds and Blossom Thinlit dies, and I've used these three detailed ones for this card. I'm using the Best Bird stamp set, but I'm only using the sentiment from the stamp set, so you could use any sentiment if you've only got the Thinlit dies. And I'm going to use the congratulations on this one. I used the happy birthday on the last one. So I've already pre-cut my birds and stuff. If you want to know how to use a Big Shot, please let me know, or there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to use a Big Shot. Okay, so I've got, for this one I've alternate the colours, so the base and stuff, but I'm still using only two colours. In Blushing Bride and Smoky Slate. I've already pre-cut my birds, like so. And I have a piece of cardstock, which the Smoky Steel, which is, I think it's 3 inches. This length is the length of the card, so that's 10.5, but it will be cut down. And then this one is 1 inch thick. I've got just a small cut off from the designer series paper. This designer series paper isn't available anymore, but there are some really lovely metallic ones that are available in its place, so you could use any background, but I'm using up this because I particularly like it. So it's just a standard card base, and that's all you need really. So let's get started. I've got some gems in it, but you don't have to stick a gem on it. So let's start by folding our card base. So we're only actually doing one stamp for this. And I'm going to stick, my designer series paper is 10 centimeters wide by 14.4, so it literally just sits inside with a small border, like so, like that. There we go. I use a banner punch. I use the banner punch a lot. They're very useful, very good, because you can fit any cardstock up to 3 inches long, or wide should I say. I'm going to take that a little bit further, right to the end, pop that off. There we go. And let's stamp up our sentiment, which I'm going to do in the grey. Like I said, I'm going to use the congratulations for this. Just because I think this could be quite a nice new arrival card for a new baby coming. I think that'd be quite nice. So congratulations. Then you've got like your mummy and baby birds, and you've got your daddy bird. Let's chop this down. I'm going to actually just snip it down. And then we just tidy up the edge. Fab. So what I've done, how I've attached this, is I'm just going to use, let's put that away. Just use the snail. I'm going to just run it along the edge. And I'm just going to pop that on. So I've got as much of it showing as I can, but still being attached. So I'm just going to take my scissors and snip it there. There we go. And I just used some 3D foam or dimensionals. It's up to you what your preference is. I also, to just add another element to it, I don't know if you can see, but I used like the copper thread. I'm going to wrap that around my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. You don't have to use as much as that. So I'm going to try and keep it taut like that and twist it. Oh, I've dropped one. And pop it down there, and then I can just fan these out however I want. Oh, I've not taken the sticky back off. That's error. There we go. Now I can fan these out however I want, going at an angle or keeping them in together. And if I've got any like loose edges, I'll just stick them down. Like so. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now I'm just going to pop this on here. And then I'm just going to use my snail again. And I'm going to go about there. There we go. Lovely. I'm going to pop a gem on, and then we shall get our birds on. So I've got 2, I'm going to do 2. Right, so I'm just going to stick some 3D foam or dimensionals on the back, so bear with me. So I've popped my 3D foam on. I've cut it really small, and this is the bit that takes the time, is trying to get those little bits so you can have it sticking up from your card to add that extra dimension to it. So I'm going to pop him there. Then this one here I'm going to do flat. So I'm just going to get some glue. If you've got fine tip glue, that's fine. You can use any glue you want. I'm just going to use this because that's what I've got to hand. If it's going to come out. Oh. And if you do find you've got too much glue because you've squeezed it too hard like I just did, you can just get a paper towel. Just pad some of it off. There we go. I might just do, there we go. So I've just taken a little bit off. Fab. Pop her on. And then once again I pop the little foam on already for the little one. I'm going to pop him there. So that would make a lovely card to say congratulations on a new arrival, or congratulations on your new home, or you know, there's lots of possibilities, or it can be a birthday card. So let's just wipe off that glue. I hope you enjoyed making these cards with me today. All these products are available still in the catalogue, except for the designer series paper, but you can use any designer series paper. And this design would look lovely in so many different colours. So have a play with it and let me know what you come up with. And visit my blog at www.craftykelly.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this series of cards that we've done using the Best Birds stamp set and the framelit dies that match. Thanks very much, and see you now. Bye.